Hey guys, KKCALS here.
So guys, today
Now we're going to make slime.
this is an example.
Yeah, we already made it a while ago.
If you want.
Like and the ingredients are glue, liquid detergent, a cup, spoons, and another spoon. So let's get started.
So first,
Let's start.
we're gonna put some glue.
Yeah. First up, we're going to put some glue. Okay. Putting some glue.
Put it to
Oh, just a minute.
yeah.
Okay.
So that's much. We'll put this much.
This is the glue. To put the liquid detergent.
That's too few. Then this is for our
Stirring
mixing.
spoon. Let's stir it now.
You guys are gonna put them. See?
It's forming, you know.
Keisha, it doesn't like slime. Yan, so guys, it's forming. See, look. That's for you? No.
Put more detergent little by little. And if needed.
It will not turn slime.
Yep.
Yeah. Timer right here is playing with slime. And Keisha is over there just watching.
Yeah.
And guys, by the way, since it's already 2018, don't forget to subscribe to the Adventure Squad.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Happy New Year!
They're right there playing Exploder.
Adventure Squad Loner.
So back to the video. So yeah, it's already starting to be a slime form. So now we're going to put the slime on the table. Wait, put a little more Ariel. Ayan. So now we are going to put it out.
Yay! Oh my gosh, Lindsay! Diba it will look more dewy if we put some modeling clay?
No, it will become butter. Put more Ariel. More Ariel. Time to get them with the hands. Oh my.
Oh, that's so slimy. That's really slimy. See that?
Guys, this is the slime.
It's actually not yet done. I still have a lot of...
Yeah. So we'll come back when it's fully done.
So guys, this is the finished product.
Poke it.
And right now, I'm still removing it from...
So right
More
now,
pa!
we're gonna make
Still removing some of them into my fingers. Ina!
Ayan.
Wait. Okay.
Girl, stretching! Ayan, so this is the slide.
Okay.
So I broke my phone. Yeah, but it's broken.
There, can you see?
I'm going to put this up.
There, that's the little crack there.
Yeah.
But it has more crack. And camera isn't showing it.
Yeah, so just if you come near me, yeah, that one.
There. So this is the slime that Steph made. If you're wondering where Kuiper is, she isn't anywhere to be seen. She's in.
Nasa.
Guys, this is Kuiper stuff. Kuiper.
Sombreros.
And she's not here. This cup we're gonna throw. Let's go to the trash can, which is just here.
Look at the wall. 1, 2, 3. This in it.
So we'll see you next week. And yeah, bye.
Hi guys. So
The next week.
the other week,
And
we're going to have a
Superstar
dinner.
is Shita.
Pastora.
And we have a guest, Josh.
Just from
It's
It's
Me,
Me Josh. And we're going to have a
Jairus
Trio Crusade.
over there, I don't know. And then my dad. Yeah.
And then, so guys, now we're going to have Trio Crusade. So yeah. So guys, now
We're just gonna walk, guys.
we're just going to walk.
Kasi it's close
Yeah,
lang naman.
that's Jairus. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey yo, down.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So guys, we are going to Ayak.
So guys, do you know the word eeyak? So the word eeyak is eeyak means iiyak.
No.
Eeyak. It's a joke from Ayak School, which is Emilio Aguinaldo College.
Yeah. Ayan, so guys, we didn't go to Ayak, but we're here in the Paco Park. Alright, let's go to the gate. Inside, ang daming tao, guys.
Walang naging karapat dapat sa pagmilo sa harapan. Things are possible. Kasi,
Ay, sorry. So we just finished. There it is. So guys, we're done. And nang photoshoot si Steph doon sa...
I was like ballerina.
Steph had a photoshoot right there. Yeah, like that. So, yeah.
So guys, now we're done with the Trio Crusade, and now we're going to eat here. Now we're going to eat here.
So guys, we're back in COP. Tapos, na-late information kami dun sa place.
Guys,
So,
something went wrong.
no, hindi naman kami. Pero, it was outside the Paco Park. And, a crash happened.
No.
So, may a girl or a boy or something got got squished or something in the with the truck or something. Yeah, she crashed and then yeah, we saw blood. Not blood, like there was something above the blood, I think. So a lesson learned, guys. Do not harot-harotan in the middle of the street. Do not joke around.
Guys, something went wrong. Some problem
With her only.
with me. I lost my ponytail, and while I'm having my pictorial, I lost my ponytail, and then
And so guys, 24 soul save. Yes. Late information. Yeah, sorry. So we're gonna eat lang and we'll be back.
So guys, I am here. Yeah, right now with Team KKCALS and Adventure Squad. Yes. Okay, dire-diretso lang sila doon. Guys, I'm here! Yeah! So, we're in Noble Room with the Adventure Squad. Don't forget to subscribe to their channel and we'll put the links down below. You put the links down below, Okay, Paano Guys, we're just chilling around in Noble Room. Wait lang. And that's Ate Angeli. Sige, gusto mo rin. And that's Ella. And that's Josh. And that's Ate Chuchay. And that's Chad. And that's Ate Princess. And oo na.
Ayan, so we're in another room waiting for choir practice to start.
Sige siya!
Aalis na!
Question mark. Never mind.
She will go to
North Campus!
Yan, so that's the end of the vlog. And
So, subscribe, like, and comment down below. And of course, subscribe to Adventure Squad.
yes.
So yeah, bye!